Hey there! So, in this video, we're going to show you how to log a call in the CRM. Pretty simple, let's get started. So, this is the main screen of the CRM contact page. In the top left corner, you will see icons with the different activities associated with the CRM. We're going to go ahead and click the call. So, when you click the call icon, it's going to bring up this window here. Now, currently, you have to call the customer from either your desk phone or a cell phone. After you call the customer, you can log that call in the CRM here. So notes would be, if I happen to call this customer and say, spoke with customer, they will be coming in tomorrow looking for an SUV. All right, let me just clean up some of this typing here. And from that call, you can determine what the outcome was. So in this case, I connected with the customer and I spoke to them about the SUV. And you could technically finish this and click submit, and then that would log the call inside of the CRM. However, we'd like for you to use the create task button here. The idea here is that when you make a phone call to the customer, after you speak with them, or after you leave a voicemail, or you get a busy tone, whatever it may be, you can create a task. And this task will serve as a reminder for you to follow up with this customer. So in this case, in this example, I spoke to the customer. They'll be coming in tomorrow looking for an SUV. I'm going to create a task and say, call customer in the morning. Task type, call, we'll call this follow-up, essentially. We'll stick a due date in here. So today is June 9th. I'm going to say June 10th. And I'm going to say I'm going to call them at 10 o'clock in the morning. So 10 a.m. in the morning. Hit set. And then I'm going to hit submit. So you'll see two things pop up on the screen here. One is the phone call activity, which was completed. So here are the notes associated with that phone call. And then also the scheduled task, which is associated with that phone call. Now that you've contacted the customer, you spoke with them, they're going to come in tomorrow, you can set a reminder for you the next day so that this customer, you'll know to call this customer, basically. Now, where can I see this task on the main screen? So this is the main screen for the CRM. You'll see a section here that says upcoming tasks. So let me zoom to the bottom left here. There we go, bottom left. You'll see here, Tony Stark. I called him. There's going to be a follow-up tomorrow morning. The reminder time is June 10th, 2021, 10 o'clock. And you have the option of saying you completed this when that date arrives, or you can say it's been canceled or it's still pending. You can also see how much time you have to complete this task. So in this case, we have 21 hours before this task needs to be completed. But super simple. Once that date arrives, once you call the customer, you can mark that as completed, and it'll turn green. Green means it's completed and done. Red means something is overdue. So super simple. And again, that's how you enter a task into that's how you log a call in the CRM and also create a task as a result of that call. And also, by the way, you can click on that link here. So where you see the name Tony Stark, you can always click on that. Now, you'll notice that the task has disappeared from this upcoming tasks. That's because I marked it as complete. As completed tasks are marked in the system, they will disappear from your screen. Okay? But you can always access them again if you wanted to go see it. Click on that contact, and then it'll launch that task. If the scenario is you did not actually complete it, you can come in and say, hey, look, it's still on pending, mark it as pending, and when you go back to the main screen, it will turn back up here. Simple as that. All right. That's it. Thank you.